Zeolites, amazing mineral structures found in nature. These microporous crystalline aluminosilicate molecular sieves consist of highly ordered discrete pores and cavities with molecular dimensions making up a crystalline framework. This allows for small molecules to pass through while stopping larger molecules, useful for the absorption of gases and liquids. And for decades, these microscopic structures have been man-made, produced synthetically, and tailored to industrial process applications. Our range of products includes zeolite powders and extrudates for use within the industrial processes of petrochemicals, oil refining and chemicals, as well as within emission control applications, such as in catalytic converters and the decomposition of NOx and N2O. Clariant zeolite raw material production capabilities include well-known zeolite structures, which cover a wide range of silica to alumina ratios. On demand, most other common commercial structure types can be produced. A representative and characteristic zeolite beta application is hydrocarbon storage after the cold start of a car engine. At low temperatures, no catalytic decomposition of the hydrocarbons is possible. However, the zeolite beta, with its high capacity of capillary structures, provides intermediate storage for the hydrocarbons until the temperature of the exhaust gas flow is high enough to convert them to carbon dioxide and water in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. Mortonites are important in process catalysis. For example, they can be used to catalyze disproportionation reactions of carbon containing aromatic compounds. Methyl groups of two toluene molecules rearrange in the presence of the catalyst to give one benzene and one xylene molecule. As xylene exists in three forms, so-called isomers, ortho, meta, and para, these xylene mixtures can be transformed into one homogeneous isomeric form via another zeolite catalyst, such as MFI in a subsequent step. Chabazites are able to adsorb water molecules from the gas phase up to 30% of their own weight. During adsorption, these water molecules bind to the zeolite surface and emit energy. This technology allows renewable resources, such as solar energy, to be used as efficient sources of heat, for example in heat pumps, to generate heat efficiently with low power consumption. The process is reversible and sustainable. The water molecules can be removed from the zeolite material so that the process can be repeated as often as required.